Today we're having a barbecue session. I'm not going to talk that much on this video. Just going to basically describe what's going on and let the video play for itself. We have 4 pounds of chicken wings. It was about 14 to 16 whole wings, I believe. We season this with some pink Himalayan sea salt, some black pepper, some chili powder, paprika, and some onion powder and garlic powder. Now, it's basically a homemade seasoning salt. And to that we added some lemon pepper seasoning. And then we mixed all the wings up. To that I also added some Italian seasoning and some crushed red peppers for a little bit of heat. Once we got the fire heated up with the chimney starter, we added some more coals on top of it. This is basically my process for cleaning the grill. Once I get the fire started, I put the grates in the middle over the heat, let that go for about 5 minutes or so, just to heat up the grates as hot as I can and burn off any extra things that may have been left over before I cleaned it off the last time. And just rub the grill down with a wire brush and then oil it down and start cooking. Back up, baby. Barbecue.
Come back over here.
Cooking.
Cooking fire. Come back.
You do cooking in the kitchen?
Yep, the outside kitchen.
This one.
Stay on the mat. Stay on the gray mat. Okay?
We gotta clean up this mess.
So you got to put on the table and put on the table.
Then it was time to dump all of our meat on the grill. We basically laid out all of our chicken wings. Today we had, again, chicken wings, whole chicken wings, some smoked sausages, and some grass-fed sirloin steaks.
Back up.
I don't go. On 12 colors. Grandma doing everything. But Grandma doing.
Looking at the trash.
I pretty much left the meat alone to cook. There were some hot spots once I noticed when I flipped the meat over. So I basically was just moving the meat around, putting some of the meats that were not in a hot enough zone, just moving them around to where it was hotter at. I basically had 3/4 of the grill charcoal around 3/4 of the grill, and I had 1/4 of the far right side of the grill, basically the top of the camera. I had that as the cool zone, so if anything got too hot, I can just put it over there and let it smoke, basically. But most of the charcoal was pretty much all to the left side towards the center, and the right side was my cool zone.
Yana, get back over here.
No!
Yana.
No! I love Daddy. I love Daddy. I love Daddy. Like this. talking.
And this was our final product. All of our chicken wings off the grill, smoked sausage is done, and the steaks.
They say cheese.
You said what?
They're saying cheese.
Mosquito said cheese.
Yeah. Enjoy. And please subscribe. Enjoy. And